Hi guys, it's Adriana from the Blue Giraffe. How you doing today? Okay, we're going to go ahead and work on a piece today. I have this canvas in front of me that did not do well. It just oversold for me. So we're going to go ahead and see what we can do. I'm going to be working today with a both a black and a white cell activator. New recipe for me. So we're going to see how it goes and see if we can make this painting a little bit better. Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, as you can see, this painting started out pretty good in all my pretty blues and yellows and blacks, but the cells just kept coming over here. And I knew that when I came down in the morning, I was not going to like it. So we let it dry real good, so I didn't end up scraping it. But we will just try this new black and white cell activator recipe that I'm trying. It's going to be, let's see, we've got black, and I'm doing it with the Floetrol. Now in the future, hopefully we will only have those as the cell activators, because I'm curious to see if it will keep my colors crisper. I do like cells, but I'd like them to be a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to be doing right here is, this has already been mixed. It is my house paint with Floetrol and water. Also looking in the future to probably put less Floetrol in. I'm usually about almost half and half with the water to thin it, and I think that that might also be a problem for my cells. So I'm going to go ahead and start using a little bit less. See how that goes. Let's just cover this up. Get our edges. You're gonna hear a lot of background noise. The kids are all home from school. They closed the schools about a week ago, and I'm sure that the moms and dads are going a little nuts trying to keep everybody occupied and doing a lot of homeschooling. Okay, so here's going to be our white accelerator. Set this over here a second. I have not been down here in a while, and a lot of my paints have covers are a little tight. So we're going to do a pearlized turquoise. Do a little bit of dark blue. A little bit of gold. And another quick layer. So I'm new to filming. I think it'll be cool to remember what color combinations I used and stuff, and I'm always happy to share recipes, colors. Okay, and so we'll let that sit a minute. Smaller cup probably would have been better, but kind of doing this on the fly, just grabbed a little time. At least the kids have some good weather out there. We're at about 65 degrees right now. Okay. Okay, try and be patient, see how that goes. Again, probably a lot more Floetrol than we would need, but I'm thinking thicker paint we'll get more colorful cells if nothing else, instead of just white. Come through. Yep, so the kids are off from school. Got 2 in college. They're doing all online courses now. And my daughter, she's a nurse, so she has her hands full these days. Lots of critical patients, so do what we can, stay home, make art. Try blowing a little. Give it a little tilt, see how we're doing. Got a lot of paint on here. I usually like a lot of negative space, but I like these colors. Got to spread it out to get all the colors from underneath there. Pour it, then pull back, get that corner. Hopefully save something if you're trying to save it. Need to learn to be patient. Need to sit a little bit, see what's going to come up on its own. Kind of liking this. It's interesting with that shadow. Turquoise is coming through. Looks a lot better than it did with all that white cell. Now I'm concerned if I keep tilting it, I'm going to expose this white house paint that has a lot of Floetrol in it, again, more than I probably will have in the future. So don't want to move it too much and end up having just a bunch of white cells. So, that being said, I'm liking this whole area. Very nice. It's a little dark here, but you can't probably see it, but the sheen of gold is all in here. So this will end up being resined, and when it is resined, those colors just shine right through. So I think we are going to call it on this one. It was a quick one. Colors just blended perfectly right off the bat. So I think that'll call it. Okay, well, it was quick, but it came together nicely. So I will show it to you dried next video, and then once it's resined. Thanks so much.